I'm ready, dude. Start this. Go. Yep.
Success is at the end of the tunnel, and greatness is waiting for you.
Alright guys, what is going on? Today is the most exciting day possibly since this channel's been up around. We have the WHIPPLE supercharger shirt on because today we are installing the WHIPPLE supercharger. Steve will be here in about an hour or so, so we're going to get things ready, get things going. I got the truck lined up for him, give him a hand, and we're going to get this thing installed today. He said he's going to do everything he can to try and get it completely finished today. Hopefully he can do it. It's, you know, a good amount of work, but you know, Steve's done cams in a day, no problem. I don't know if this is going to take more, take less, I'm not too sure, but we're praying we can possibly get it all done today, get it all ready on the road, get that first start up, and possibly that first drive. But we'll see how the process goes. I'm going to be videoing. I'm not going to show every little tiny detail, so please don't be like, you know, this is not going to be a how to install a supercharger video. That would take too long. This is going to just show the process of what it takes, what it's going to show, what you basically, you know, some of the things you do need to do, but it's not going to be a complete how-to video because, you know what I mean, it's just, it'd be too long of a video. This is going to be just, you know, the process of the install and stuff like that. So that's where we're at, guys. I'm very excited. Got my WHIPPLE supercharger shirt on. Thank you, Nick, for WHIPPLE superchargers. I'll show you the back of the shirt. It's pretty cool. And we'll wait for Steve and let's get started on the video.
Yeah.
Steve got the manifold off.
Yeah, almost.
Almost. Ready for Ken to pick up whenever he wants to pick it up.
Here, Nick. You can do.
No, Phil's grabbing that. He said he's here to help. He's here to help. I'm doing my job.
Yeah.
Nice.
Kick my ass again. Fucking bastard.
Could be worse.
I think everybody on your channel knows I curse you out.
Oh, that every day. Could be worse. Could be doing a can.
Valid point.
Yeah. So, she's coming along. What are you doing down there, Steve? So people know.
Bolting the crank pin adapter on here so that way I can drill. All right.
Steve just finished pinning the crank. Well, drilling the pin crank. Now we'll pin it, and that part's done. A little easier than you thought, huh, Steve?
Yeah. Could be better. It fucking rains.
Alright, we're getting the new spark plugs in. Steve's just gapped them all and put them in. And then we get started. I think with the intercooler next. I forget what the instructions say.
No, intake.
Intake, then the intercooler, sorry. Yes, master. And that's all in that box back there. These are the goodies box, that's the daddy box. Alrighty, so what are you putting, what are we doing, the intake now, Steve?
Yeah, I have to prep the intake to go back on.
Prepping the intake, go back on, and then we're getting ready for the, oh, my heart's like, dude, I haven't looked at this box since day one, because my heart just gets like, oh, if I look at it, I'm going to want it on even faster. Don't what? What was that? Huh? I heard something smart over there.
You act like he hasn't tried.
So we're getting ready. We're moving good.
We need a workbench.
Yep.
I could work on the ground, but I'm not putting blower parts on the ground.
Yeah. Getting it prepped.
Air intake temp sensor, Nick.
Right up here.
Good.
Whipple recommends you got to customize the Q-bar map sensor a little bit to make work. So Steve's doing that now.
Going nice and slow.
Yep, just giving a little heads up what's going on. I'm going to be getting this as the speed goes up.
Yeah. The lower intake.
All right, Steve's getting the lower intake manifold on without me recording.
You really think I was going to wait for you?
Of course not. But it's on. The sun is blocking everything, guys. I'm sorry if you can see that. If not, well, then deal with it. But yeah, so lots of progress. A lot of sun in this. There's gonna be a lot of sun in this video, but nothing I can do about that. All right, air cooler's on. Steve's just gonna bolt them down, torque them to spec, Loctite it up, and we're getting there, fellas. We're getting there. That was a little bit of a bitch, wasn't it, Steve? The O-ring?
Yeah, just a little bit.
A little bit. It's really cool.
I think it gave us all these big fucking phones. You okay, Nick?
I'm good, man. You don't understand.
His blood pressure's up.
Yo, keep that thing away from me now.
What thing? What are you talking about, Phil? Oh, man.
Felt like I was holding a baby.
Oh, my God.
Oh my God.
Whipple's O-rings suck.
Is it rolling already?
Yep. It rolled.
Popped all the way up.
Yep.
What's wrong?
I just wanted to hold the blower a little longer, that's all.
Ah, the O-ring. I'll cut that part out, don't worry.
Keep it in.
No, I'll keep it in.
Maybe they'll make
I
it
should have
a
kept
little
him in the cell, Steve punched the wall, too.
shorter. Maybe they'll make them a little bit shorter. Gotta get all Steve's grunts in there too.
Let me help you lift on the one end, you got it.
It's home.
Oh, man.
Bracket one.
Let's get into this couple angles. Oh, my God.
It's alright. Put it to use.
Alrighty.
Three's where the bracket is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm ready. Oh, my. Oh, yeah.
Fucking jackass.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Looks so nice. All right.
Throttle body.
There's a couple of adapters. I don't know which one it is. probably stuff into there. I know there's another one there, but I don't know, you know. One's probably for the stock one, obviously. Because that one might just bolt right up, to be honest with you, because of how big it is. It looks like it's going to bolt right up. We just might need the gasket, and that's it, right? You gotta, let's go the other way. I think it goes the other way, right? That bolt right up, Steve?
No.
Need the adapter?
Oh, the whipple's upside down.
Does it matter? Does it matter?
In Nick's case, yes.
Nah. You'll never see it.
90mm. Oh, no, yeah, this is only 90mm. How big's that one?
102.
Yeah, you don't need this.
Oh, that's for, I guess, if you're using a Hellcat throttle body, which most guys go to the bigger Hellcat when they're doing this. They give you bolts for that too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I dropped the bag.
Where?
Under the truck.
Underneath. Alright guys, we're on the home stretch now. Putting the old catch cam back on. Just got the Whipple 102mm throttle body on. Whipple's bolted down. We just got to get pulley on.
Pulley,
My buddy
belt,
Phil's
adjust
working
everything.
on, working on the cold air intake system. You know, put the front end back on. But she should be up and running very soon. Done, you know, very soon. Got a couple little other odds and ends to finish up with, but we are literally on the home stretch. The supercharger belt is going on, pulley is on. We have a 3.75 Whipple, roughly for the Hemis, estimate anywhere from 7.5 to 8 on a stock application. We are not stock, so we may be a little less, we may be right around it. We don't know exactly until we, you know.
Till we make some noise.
Yes.
Gotta adjust that pulley again. It says adjust as needed.
Yeah, it looks like there's a little bit of adjustment when you were moving it, right?
Yeah. Tighten that up too.
Okay.
That's probably it right there. If we have belt squeal, which we probably will, tighten it up more. Fuck this ratchet. Get back. I ain't fighting it.
Alright guys, we are basically finishing up. Finishing up the cold air intake. It's getting done. My buddy Phil is working on getting the gauge pod. Steve's working on the booster pump. So the gauge pod is for the I can't think right now. Thank you. Boost gauge. So he's working on that with the boost gauge. I just finished drilling the hole for the intake. Wherever I put the piece, I don't know. But yeah, we should be up and running shortly. Very, very shortly. And we'll have some fun. Alright guys, we're basically finishing up. Steve's just filling up the intercooler reservoir, put some coolant in, distilled water. We're ready to go. We just got to bleed the system, put the new tune on, and start her up. Isn't that right, Steve?
You might as well start putting the tune on.
Let me do the yeah. All right, no problem. I'm ready, dude. Start this.
Go. Yep.
That bang. Did you hear that, or was it just me?
I heard it.
What, he put the emergency brake on or something?
Oh, did you take the emergency brake off?
What was that sound?
Because the emergency brake was on.
We don't have vacuum on mine.
This gauge will bring vacuum.
It just goes from 0. I didn't get a vacuum one.
No?
No.
Fucking cheap bastard.
First time I've actually been in this thing.
Is the brake on or off?
Could be on.
Is the brake?
You want it off?
Oh, you pushed the
I
lyrics?
didn't push it in.
I didn't push it in. You want it off?
Take it off, man.
I didn't push it in.
Sounded like, what was that clunk that we heard?
Wasn't me.
They got that tuned good this time.
My feet right here.
Boggling.
Everything? Did you hear the whine?
No.
I heard it.
We're going. No, I couldn't hear it under there. Is your cognac open?
No.
I didn't touch anything, I swear.
What is smoking? Ready? Cutout don't work.
See if cutout don't work.
Alright, we'll figure it out. Alright guys, we just finished everything up. Truck's done, fully back together, running good, feeling good. Air fuel is way off. Jay made it, let me put it this way, Jay made it extra safe because we didn't know where we're at. So we have a lot of tuning to do to get to where we want to be. But truck is running really good, it's idling good. Everything went really smooth today. Steve is the man. He did this entire install, fuel system and everything in 7 hours from start to finish. Fucking amazing, absolutely awesome dude. And my buddy Phil came in and helped us out too, which they are cousins. But great day, everything went well. But we got much more videos coming now that we got the Whipple on the Ram. The Whipple Ram is here, no more waiting around. As soon as we get this thing dialed in, we're hitting the track and see what we can do, guys. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.
Success is at the end of the tunnel, and greatness is waiting for you.